Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for GBPUSD and GBPJPY. I'll be starting off with GBPUSD from the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price got to resistance level around the 2.74 area and then bounced off. We can see the weekly candle that formed this past week was a strong bearish candle, which for me on the weekly time frame is a strong indication that price will continue to the downside. And now the question is, how can we capitalize on this down move if you're not already in a sell trade? If we go down to the daily time frame, we can see that we mapped out our resistance level here around the 1.274 area, and price bounced off that area, got to support level here, broke off support level with this daily bearish candle here, and that's when I entered my sell trade, and I spotted this support level here around the 1.255 area, which I was expecting price to form some sort of reaction to, which we can see that anytime price got there, you can see the rejection of that area. Looking at the time frame from the burst perspective, I am expecting price to actually break that level and continue to the downside. But again, price has struggled to do that, as we can see here, where we've got this level. If I move it just here, yeah, so price is struggling to break and close below that level there around the 1.255 area. Price tried to break below it but quickly rejected back up from its doji candle and then this other candle here. So what I am expecting in the long run is for price to still break through this level and continue its move to the downside up to support level around the 1.24 area. Even if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, we can see that price is still trying to break that level here, and I will not take any other trades on GBPUSD for now, until there is a clear break and closure below this line, this black line, on the 4-hour time frame. So if I see a 4-hour candle that closes strongly below this black line, then I will be looking to enter more sell positions. Or if on the daily time frame, the next daily time frame to closes below this black line, then yes, I will be looking for more sell trades. But for now, what I've done is just to maintain this my sell trade. We're about 50 pips in profit, which is good, and then we just continue with that. But all in all, my bias for this pair is a sell. And so this is my analysis for GBPUSD. I am a sell on this pair. I am waiting for price to break through the 1.255 area and close below it on the 4-hour or daily time frame, and then I'll look to enter more sell position. But for now, I'll just wait and see. Next, I'm going to talk about my analysis for GBPJPY. I'll start with the weekly time frame and I'll work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Right. So on the weekly time frame, we can see price got to support level around the 188 zone and bounced to the downside. We can see last week there was a very strong sell on GBPJPY, and price entering into this zone here where you have all these wicks coming out and quickly rejected above it. So if we look closely on the weekly time frame, we can see this is where price got to the body of price, right? So every week that entered into this zone here, you can see that there was a rejection quickly above that area, so we can say confidently that there are a lot of buyers somewhere here. And I am still expecting price to enter into this level here and give me some more stronger buy trade, sorry. If you go to the 4 hour the daily time frame, daily time frame also gives us of strong indication that the sellers have more or less been exhausted, because immediately price got into the zone, you can see buyers pushing price up, and then with the formation of this pin bar on the daily time frame is a strong indication as well that price will continue to the upside on GBPJPY. So I think it's exhausted this down move. We have completed what we were looking out for, which is this double M, this double top pattern, or the M pattern, and price has completed that move following the break of trend line and support level. All right, so from now I am expecting price to continue to the upside, given this candlestick, this bullish pin that has formed on the daily time frame on a support level. And if we go to the 4 hour time frame, we can see the price persistently tried to break below this level and then came up, and then price, so there was a strong battle between buyers and sellers. But from my point of view, I think eventually buyers have won this move, and I'll show you why. So if you look closely at where the struggle has been happening between buyers and sellers, that's this zone here. I'll change that to red. Yeah, so we can see this zone there where when price broke into it, and they've been buyers tried to push up but couldn't break, and then sellers pushed back down, then buyers broke up but couldn't break that level. We can see the lower bit of that trade here as well, where immediately price tried to break through, couldn't, came back up and closed above it. Buyers pushed price up but couldn't close above that 181.56 area. Sellers again at the top there tried to push price to break below this 180.5 area, so this is more or less like a 100 pip zone, but couldn't do that again. And then buyers came in and pushed price up, couldn't break through that 181.5 area, came back down again. You can see that fight resulting in doji candle, and then price tried to break above, but sellers quickly pushed price back into this area. And now with this candle on this 4 hour bullish candle, we can see that one has successfully broken out of that range where price has been struggling to get out of. If price had got broken below that area and closed below it, I would have expected price to move to the downside. But now that price has broken above that area there and then followed by this other bullish candle, I am expecting price to continue to the upside for GBP USD. So for GBPJPY, so this is what I am expecting to happen, for price to continue to the 184.5 area, and I will be encouraging a buy trade more or less on GBPJPY for now. You can also see that on the weekly time frame as well. Even if you adjust this to accommodate the movement, you can see that they have still been a break out of the range where price has been moving in this sort of direction, and you can see price has finally broken out of that area. So I'm expecting this price to continue to the top. Okay, and all these moves that we're seeing here just confirms what we saw initially on the daily time frame, where we saw that bullish pin bar, which is our confirmation of a buy. So that is what I'm expecting on this pair in the coming week. So I hope that was very clear, and I hope you understand why I'm expecting a buy trade on GBPJPY. So this has been my analysis so far. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings.